Hi there, and welcome to the Geonix channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we'll look at how to set up a proxy in Epic Privacy Browser, so you can hide your IP, protect your data, and bypass website restrictions. Epic Privacy Browser comes with a built-in encrypted proxy that hides your IP and encrypts your traffic. But you're not limited to that. You can also use your own proxy server. Here's how to do it. First, open the browser settings. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. In the System section, choose Open your computer's proxy settings. Epic relies on the system settings of Windows or Mac OS, which means any changes you make here will affect the browser's internet connection. To configure the proxy, enable User Proxy Server, then enter the IP address and port number. Save the settings. The first time you connect, a window will appear asking for the proxy's username and password. Enter the details, confirm, and you are ready to go. To check if everything is working, simply visit a site that shows your IP address. For example, you can use our free tool. The link you can find in the description to the video. You should see that it has changed. One important note: because Epic uses your system's network settings, any proxy configuration here applies to all programs on your computer, not just the browser. And that's it. Your proxy setup in Epic Privacy Browser is complete. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, Geonix.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.